I just bought this AM8T Neo microphone kit by Fifine. In this video, I'm going to show you what's included in the kit, how to set up the microphone, and give you a sound comparison between this mic and other mics that you may have lying around your house so that you can decide if the AM8T Neo is right for you. Let's get started. So first, I'd like to point out that this is not promotional and Fifine did not send me this product for review. This is the AM8T Neo, which can be purchased online through Walmart or directly through the Fifine website. It's nearly identical to the AM8T that you can purchase on Amazon or Best Buy, with the exception that this includes an additional phone holder. Opening the box, you'll find an instruction manual, a C-clamp for fastening the stand to your desk, an 8-foot long USB-C to USB-C cable with USB-C to USB-A adapter, a ball swivel phone holder with adjustable spring-loaded grip, an adjustable steel boom arm with mic mount, and lastly, of course, the AM8 microphone itself. Alright, here's how you assemble the microphone. The first step is to remove the plastic nut from the phone grip. Then place the swivel nut into the phone mount. Next, with a bit of pressure, pop the grip onto the phone mount and tighten the swivel nut. Now take out the C-clamp, grab the stand, and find the matching stand rod and C-clamp hole. Place the stand inside the C-clamp and tighten the knob. While holding onto the stand on the side with the bolt, grab the microphone and screw onto the stand bolt until it's tight. Now loosen the C-clamp and place on the edge of the desk and tighten until secure. And finally, connect the USB-C cable to the bottom of the microphone on this end and to your preferred device on the other end. You'll know the microphone is getting power because the RGB light will turn on. Next, let's talk features. The back of the microphone has a tap to mute button that turns red when the mic is muted and green when the mic is active. On the front there are two knobs, the top being gain control for the microphone, and the bottom knob is a volume controller for headphones that are plugged into the headphone jack, which is located on the bottom of the microphone. Note the bottom also features an XLR port, but an XLR cable is not provided. Directly above the knobs is a button you can tap to change the RGB color scheme. A single tap will change the color, while a long press will toggle the RGB light on or off. Now, some additional features to consider. Besides the windscreen that goes over the microphone that Fifine considers to be a pop filter, there is also a built-in noise reduction chip to drown out unwanted background noise. Also note that while you can use the XLR cable, the RGB lights and other power functions will not work unless you're using USB. However, on the bright side, this microphone will work on any device that has USB-C. For example, I got it to work on my Nintendo Switch 2, which has a USB-C port. I was able to get it to work on my iPhone 12 using a powered lightning adapter, but unfortunately the adapter itself introduced electrical noise. And now for the sound comparison, I'll be using my Apple AirPods, my wired Apple earbuds, and my iPhone 12's built-in microphone. I'm going to be doing the actual recording on Audacity, which is a free audio software. This is what the audio sounds like on my Apple AirPods. This is what the audio sounds like on my Apple earbuds. This is what the audio sounds like on my iPhone 12. This is what the audio sounds like on the Fifine microphone. As you can see, the AM8 has rich sound while maintaining great noise reduction. Now, so you can see that the background noise reduction isn't the only factor, I'm going to reduce the noise in the iPhone 12 recording. This is what the audio sounds like on my iPhone 12. Now, I could keep messing with this audio to try to make it sound better, but the beauty of the Fifine AM8 is that it's doing this all on its own. I know for me, the AM8T Neo microphone kit has been a great purchase. I love how much I'm getting for the price, including the adjustable stand, the phone holder, and the extra long USB-C cable. I can even see myself using the phone holder as a camera mount for my future videos. And as someone who's married with kids, I can't stress how useful the active noise reduction is. This microphone is currently listed at $62, but I was able to purchase it for $58.29 after shipping and tax. So what are the downsides? For one, the cable gets caught if you try to tilt the microphone up and down to switch to the other side. And while I'm not planning on using an XLR cable, I think it's strange that you can't use the RGB lights without introducing noise to the feed. And lastly, because of the way the stand slips onto the C-clamp, you can't have the microphone up against the wall. That wraps up this video. If you found this information useful, I would like to ask you to please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. I have a goal to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the summer, and I would be extremely grateful if you would help me get there. Until next time.